What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Another gorgeous day in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. The sun's out, but randomly we just had 9 inches of snow in the Florida Panhandle. And when we go on the drive, still got some laying on the ground, but that's kind of hilarious for me. Anyway, today we got a 1958 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a fuel injection car. Very important for value as well as desirability. Absolutely gorgeous car that's had a frame-off restoration. Beautiful in every way, down to every nut and bolt. So we're gonna do a quick walk around video, check out the chrome, the paint, absolutely gorgeous all the way down. Love the teardrop here on the side, white on yellow paint. Chrome is absolutely perfect everywhere. So you can see that, just brilliant. Couple things, we got the numbers matching, 283 V8 motor. That's the 290 horsepower with the fuel injection. We'll pop the hood in just a sec. This car comes with a brand new soft top already on there, as well as the hard top. Both of them are obviously included in the sale. If you get up real close here, you can see all these chrome strips, the Corvette emblem, the bumpers back here, beautiful, perfect condition. Exhaust coming through the tips right here. You see that? Motor's got a nice grumble. This is really, it's a fully stock car, as it would have been sold originally in 1958. So everything is nice and tight, beautiful condition. Hopping on here to the inside, we got perfect leather seats, beautiful mats on the floor. This is a 4-speed car. All the gauges are working perfect, like they should. Coming on the inside, footstep here, perfect condition, as well as the door sills. If you get up close here, take a look at the door panel. Look how intricate it is. Lots of things going on. With the two-tone, got chrome, got 2 little bullets here. Armrest is in perfect conditions. Doors open and close like they should. Got the knockoff hubcaps. Coming around to the front, check out this grille. Lots of chrome, beautiful, beautiful chrome work up front. License plate bumper guard is still on there. It can be removed as well. Got the double headlights up front, each side. Gaps on the hood, excellent condition, just beautiful. Underneath, the car is the same way. We'll post some pictures of that. If you hop on the website, you can see that. Obviously, if you're looking for a fuel injection car, you're gonna wanna see under the hood. So let's show you that. So there she is. Got the 283 V8. It's all the fuel injection stuff on top. Got the serial numbers for the part number as correctly dated for 1958. Valve covers, beautiful condition. The whole engine bay, just beautiful condition there. Wipers all working like they should. Fires up first key. I did want to show some of the detail on the underside of the hood here. Look how beautiful the paint is, the hinges. You can see that there. Just a really high quality restoration. Let's fire it up. Hear how she sounds. You can go through some of the gauges and whatnot. Click the key. You can see the fuel gauge pop up to about half right now. Fires right up. So she's cold right now. We just moved her from the spot over there. So motor's still cold, so that's a cold start. We're running about 50 oil pressure, 50 PSI. Battery gauge is also working like it should. The odometer is showing 10,468 on the clock right now. Tachometer is also working here. Once it warms up, then those RPMs will drop down. All right, so we got lights on, off. All right, y'all, we're gonna take this 58 Corvette on a drive. What a fun car. If you'll notice, we're in January and we got snow on the ground in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. I mean, that's pretty beautiful, but there's no salt down here and there's no more snow on the road, so we're gonna roll with that. We're gonna brave the cold for you guys though. Show you how this Corvette drives. We got good brakes. We're in first gear here. Oh yeah. Letting her warm up. Feels great on the road. Beautiful driving car. Speedo's working, says we're doing about 45. Feels good. Exhaust sounds great. Tachometer doing about 1800 RPMs in fourth gear. So, feels great. Real straight down the road. I'm not moving the steering wheel at all. Just tracking super straight, very aligned. No shakes, no rattles anywhere. Feels very solid. Like I said, the steering wheel is, it ain't moving around at all. I mean, if you look underneath the front end, I looked up under there yesterday, and everything looks brand new under there. So tie rods, all the bushings look brand new. Frame looks brand new. I mean, like I said, it's a frame off restoration, high quality investment car. So it's what you would expect it to be. Just want to ensure that it is though. So man, this car drives great. So we're warming, got a little bit of temperature now. So got her warmed up. It's a cold day for a drive though. So RPM settled down around 1,900 or so. Now the motor's warmed up. Let's go. Oh yeah. Here we go. Feels good. Just real stable on the road. I love it. So we just got this 58 in inventory. If you look at some of the auction values, really strong. We have one in Mecum sold for $396,000 this past weekend, a blue one. There was another one that was yellow, sold for $196 or $192, plus the 10% commission. So really strong values in these cars, fuel injection cars. I mean, some of the Shelbys, man, they were bringing big money, almost double what I had sold one for about a year ago. Really good, really strong on the high quality collector cars. So I think this car would continue to appreciate. Really rare car, like I said, real fuel injection car, numbers matching. So tough to beat. All right, pulling back to the shop. That did great. Hope y'all enjoyed the walk around video on this gorgeous 1958 Corvette fuel injection car. These cars have been bringing awesome money at the auctions right now. Seriously, a couple that just sold at Mecum. Really good auction numbers, check them out. But man, what a beautiful car. Let's put it in your garage. We have nationwide shipping and financing available. Thanks so much for watching.